Imagine a place where compasses go haywire and ships and planes vanish without a trace. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, an enigmatic expanse of the Atlantic Ocean stretching between the coast of Florida, the island of Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This is a region that has captured imaginations and spurred countless theories for decades. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is infamous for its mysterious disappearances. Not just small vessels, but massive ships and sophisticated aircraft have seemingly evaporated, leaving no trace, no wreckage, nothing to explain their sudden absence. The vast ocean swallows them up and the sky erases them as if they never existed. One of the most famous cases is that of the USS Cyclops, a colossal naval ship that disappeared in 1918 with over 300 crew members on board. It set sail under clear skies and calm seas, yet it vanished without sending a distress signal, without a trace of wreckage, and without any explanation. And then there's Flight 19, 5 Navy Avenger bombers that took off on a routine training mission in December of 1945, only to disappear into thin air. The disappearance of Flight 19 is particularly chilling because it was not just one aircraft, but a formation of 5, all of which vanished simultaneously. These cases are but a few of the hundreds of disappearances attributed to the Bermuda Triangle. Each one is a chilling reminder of the power and mystery of our natural world, a world that despite our best efforts continues to harbor secrets, to confound our understanding and to baffle even the most seasoned scientists. But how did we come to know about this enigmatic location? Let's delve into its discovery. The Bermuda Triangle didn't always hold its ominous title. In fact, it was a journalist who gave it its name. Let's take a step back in time. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, has been a source of mystery and intrigue for centuries. Strangely enough, the infamous reputation of this area didn't come about until the mid-20th century. Before then, it was just another stretch of ocean, albeit a heavily trafficked one. The question then arises, when did people first start noticing the peculiar happenings in this part of the world? Well, it wasn't until the late 1940s and early 1950s that reports of strange occurrences began to surface. Ships and planes were disappearing without a trace, baffling everyone who dared to venture into the depths of this mystery. In the midst of this confusion, a man named Vincent Gaddis stepped onto the scene. Gaddis, a journalist by trade, was intrigued by the unexplained disappearances. He began to investigate, compiling reports and delving into the stories of those who had experienced the Bermuda Triangle's unexplainable phenomena firsthand. In February 1964, Gaddis published an article in the pulp magazine Argosy. In this article, he coined the term Bermuda Triangle for the first time, referring to the triangular area between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, where these strange events were occurring. Gaddis's article sparked a flurry of interest. People were fascinated and terrified in equal measure. The Bermuda Triangle was no longer just a geographical location. It had become a symbol of the unknown, a place where the usual rules of reality seemed not to apply. The name Bermuda Triangle stuck, and with it, the mystery deepened. More stories came to light, more ships and planes vanished, and more theories were put forward. The Bermuda Triangle had become a phenomenon, a source of endless speculation and debate. With a name and a growing list of disappearances, the Bermuda Triangle quickly became a topic of intrigue and fear. From the plausible to the paranormal, theories about the Bermuda Triangle have swirled for decades. Let's start with the more scientific hypotheses. One of the most widely acknowledged theories points to magnetic anomalies. It's suggested that the area has an unusual magnetic field which can mess with a vehicle's compass, leading them astray. This is due to the Bermuda Triangle being one of the 2 places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. Another theory points to methane hydrates, a form of natural gas found on the ocean floor. When disturbed, these methane hydrates can erupt, creating bubbles that reduce the density of water. Ships sailing over such an eruption could suddenly lose buoyancy and sink without warning. Similarly, if these gas bubbles were to reach the surface and rise into the air, they could theoretically cause airplanes to crash. Now let's dive into the more fantastical theories. Some propose that the Bermuda Triangle is a portal to other dimensions. Ships and planes, they argue, don't disappear, but rather they are transported to an alternate reality. And of course, we can't discuss the Bermuda Triangle without mentioning extraterrestrial activity. Yes, that's right. Some believe that the triangle is a hotspot for alien abductions. They argue that advanced beings from outer space are using this region as a collection point for their earthly studies. These theories and many more have been presented over the years, each attempting to solve the enigma that is the Bermuda Triangle. From scientific explanations to supernatural speculations, each hypothesis adds another layer to this enduring mystery. But despite the multitude of theories, none have been definitively proven. The Bermuda Triangle continues to baffle and fascinate us with its unexplained disappearances and strange phenomena. While some theories seem more likely than others, no definitive explanation has been accepted by the scientific community. Despite its reputation, the Bermuda Triangle is a heavily traveled shipping lane today. This vast expanse of ocean stretching between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico remains a dynamic hub of global commerce and travel. Each day, countless ships navigate its waters and aircraft crisscross its skies, serving as a testament to human resilience and our determination to conquer the unknown. Now, you might be wondering, with all the stories and mysteries surrounding it, how can this be? Well, it's essential to remember that the Bermuda Triangle's reputation is not universally accepted. Many skeptics argue that the Triangle's so-called mysteries are nothing more than sensationalism, fueled by a blend of public fascination and media hype. A number of studies have even suggested that the Triangle sees no more accidents or disappearances than any other heavily traveled region of the world's oceans. Interestingly, no official map exists that outlines the Bermuda Triangle's boundaries, and no navigational charts bear a warning of its supposed dangers. The United States Board on Geographic Names does not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an official region of the Atlantic. The U.S. Coast Guard and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration also maintain that there are no supernatural explanations for disasters at sea. Their records indicate that many supposed mysteries are, in reality, tragic accidents and misfortunes often attributable to human error or severe weather. Yet, despite the skepticism and lack of official recognition, the Bermuda Triangle's allure remains. Its tales of vanished ships and lost aircraft continue to captivate the public imagination. Some people still hold on to the belief that there's more to the Triangle than what the rational mind can comprehend. They argue that the ocean, with all its vastness and depth, still holds many secrets that we are yet to reveal. Whether a hub of unexplained phenomena or simply a victim of maritime myth, the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate our curiosity. So, what have we learned about the Bermuda Triangle? We've journeyed through its discovery and naming, linked to the countless mysterious disappearances that have occurred within its bounds. We've delved into the various theories proposed by scientists and researchers, from magnetic anomalies to freak weather and even the presence of extraterrestrial life. Despite the numerous explanations put forth, none have managed to fully demystify this enigmatic region of the Atlantic Ocean. Today, the Bermuda Triangle remains as perplexing as ever, continuing to intrigue and confound us in equal measure. We've also examined its current status, acknowledging that while it's not officially recognized by the United States Board on Geographic Names, it still holds a firm place in popular culture and the human imagination. The Bermuda Triangle, a mystery that remains unsolved, a place that continues to baffle and fascinate us. Until we meet again, keep questioning, keep wondering,